In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records on GoDaddy. We'll go through the process step by step so you can update your domain settings with confidence. If you're new to DNS, don't worry. This is a straightforward task once you know where everything is located in your GoDaddy account. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official homepage so you can safely access your account and domain settings. Once the website is open, go ahead and click on your profile. This is usually where you'll find the main account options, including access to your products and services. After that, click on My Products. This section shows the domains and other services connected to your account. From here, locate the domain you want to manage and click DNS. This will take you to the area where your domain records are controlled. Once you're there, click DNS again if needed to open the full DNS management page. Depending on the layout you see, this second click may simply bring you directly to the DNS records section. What you're looking for is the area labeled DNS records, because that's where all current records for the domain are listed. Under DNS records, click Add New Record. This opens the form where you can create a new DNS entry. At this stage, you'll need to select the record type. This is important because different record types serve different purposes. For example, some records connect your domain to a website, while others are used for email or verification. Be sure to choose the correct type based on what you're trying to set up. Next, enter the name and value for the record. The name usually refers to the host or subdomain, while the value points to the destination, such as an IP address or another target provided by your hosting or service provider. You'll also need to select the TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This controls how long the record is cached before updates are refreshed. If you're unsure which TTL to use, the default setting is often perfectly fine. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Your new DNS record will then be added to the list. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not happen instantly. In many cases, they can take some time to fully update across the internet. That's it. You've successfully added a DNS record on GoDaddy. Just review the details carefully before saving, since even a small typo can cause the record not to work correctly.